Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's Kitchen menu, we're gonna make Mama Bui's classic rock cakes. Yes guys, these delicious and easily made little buns were the mainstay of my childhood tea time. The recipe for rock cakes is family favorite and nostalgic recipe that reminds me of cozy college days. They were the first things we made in home economics class at school. That was in the 80s, guys. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, here are the list of ingredients you'll need: flour, butter, vanilla extract, milk, raisins, brown sugar, baking powder, 1 egg, and coconut extract. First things first, we're gonna start off by mixing our dry ingredients. Into my flour, I'm gonna add baking powder, add sugar, then mix it in to combine. Once everything is combined, I'm gonna go ahead and add butter. Then using my hands, I'm gonna rub in the butter until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. Just like so, guys. Then I'm gonna go ahead, add my raisins, coat them with the flour mixture. Next, I'm gonna add vanilla extract, coconut extract, whisk 1 egg, and add it to the flour mixture. Add milk, then mix everything until combined. Just like so, guys. It's a simple and straightforward recipe. Keep on mixing, guys. The result should be a lumpy dough, not a sticky dough. What we are trying to achieve here is the rustic look for rock cakes. Just like so, guys. Last step, drop heaped tablespoons of the dough onto a lined silver pan. You make sure, guys, you leave a gap between them. As they cook, they are going to double in size. The trick here is not to have the perfect ball, rather a more textured appearance so they look like rocks. Just like so, guys. The oven has been preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake this for 25 minutes. The rock cakes bake perfectly with a golden color. Allow them to sit for 5 minutes in a baking pan, then transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely. Let me go ahead and break this open so I can show you guys how they look inside. Beautiful, lovely. Share this video with your friends and your family. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.